In order to replace the bulb, first remove this cover. Use any coin to twist the locks and remove the cover. Many people recommend you to change the bulb only by the service door, but I will remove the fender liner so you can see better what you have to do. The cover is held in place by 4 T20 Torx screws. Now it's your decision if you choose to struggle through the service door or you will choose to remove the fender liner like I'm doing, and I have enough space to work at the headlight. So you have 2 screws on the bottom and you can remove them from here, 1 on the side and 1 on the top, and you can remove them from the engine compartment. I will remove the fender liner by unscrewing all these bolts using a 10mm and the 8mm socket. You have 4 more screws under the bumper. Now I will remove the fender liner and start working on the headlight. Use a T20 Torx bit and unscrew the cover bolts. As you can see, the cover has 1 screw on this side, 2 in the bottom and 1 on top. Pull the connectors safely and disconnect it. To release the bulb, press this clip in and left. Now you can remove the bulb. The bulb type is D1S. Install a new bulb, lock the retainer and connect the plug. Before installing the cover, check if the bulb works okay. Put the cover into position and put back the screws. I've just installed the fender liner back and now I will put the service door back in place. Thank you for watching. For any questions, you can leave a comment and I will try to answer all of you.